These are my biceps. I've got one incredibly beautiful bicep here. See, watch. This is how you do it. And then bicep 1 and 2. And now the lower bicep. I hope you like the bicep flex of the month, and I'll show you more later.